Two Polk County leaders appear to be at odds over a policy on vaccinations for county employees. Local 5's Mary Sugden joins us in studio to break down what we know led up to the Polk County Sheriff issuing a statement today.
Yes, Samantha, this is a story that we are actively working to get more information on, but here is what we know so far. Following a Polk County Board of Supervisors meeting, County Administrator John Norris and Sheriff Kevin Schneider had some type of discussion about a county vaccination policy. Let's take a look at that policy that was approved back on September 14th. It required employees who did not provide proof of vaccination by September 30th to take weekly COVID-19 tests. Now, we don't know exactly what was said between Schneider and Norris, but according to an employee with the Board of Supervisors, it happened after the meeting. But judging from a statement from Sheriff Schneider, it appears Norris took issue with Schneider's delay in enforcing this policy. Now, in the statement, Schneider says he encouraged his staff to get vaccinated, working to advance the time frame for public safety staff to be eligible for the vaccine. However, he adds, "I don't take a position that employees who choose not to be vaccinated, whatever their individual concerns may be, should lead to discipline or termination." He goes on to say, "To allege I'm resisting this policy or in any way against vaccination is completely false." Schneider says there was no consideration for the impacts this policy would have on the sheriff's office, calling it a, quote, logistical nightmare. Now, Schneider says he's not against a policy, but rather wants to find one that works better for his department. Now, the sheriff claims a threat was made to his budget to cut it for his delay in enforcing this policy. And he calls this move, quote, unacceptable. Now, according to most recent information from the county, out of the sheriff's department's 519 employees, roughly 46% are vaccinated. Now, taking a look at the entire county, 62% of employees are vaccinated. Now, neither Schneider nor Norris were available for an interview today, and we also reached out to the Board of Supervisors for their thoughts and have not yet heard back. In the studio, Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.
All right, Mary, thank you. And that Polk County policy also provides up to 80 hours of paid leave for vaccinated employees who contract the virus.